Welcome back to the channel. This is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra with that nice starry green color. As you already might figured out, I'm going to test some gaming today. And I'm also going to use Scene 8 to give me some performance indication while playing the games. What is the temperature? Very important. How much watts are we discharging? And of course, the FPS. As you can tell, I'm going to use Wuthering waves. I've also started my FPS recording, and let me tell something straight. In the first part of the video, I'm going to play without any additional auxiliary cooling. Then what I'm gonna do for the second part, I'm gonna use the GameSir FX5, which is simply amazing. Yeah, it has a battery pack that magnetically connects to the cooling element here, and this thing can get pretty cool, by the way. So I did a whole review on this if you want to check it out, but first things first, I'm just going to do it like that. All right, by the way, I want to show you all my graphic settings so that we can really make sure that I'm using everything to the maximum. And you can see, by the way, device performance is overloaded. Yeah, it is only because I've enabled or set anything to the absolute maximum. All right, I'm gonna go inside here. So the graphics quality, resolution ultra high, everything that I can is set to either high or ultra high. Like there is no other higher setting that I actually am not able to toggle. All right, now let's start to play. 57, as you can see, 57 FPS, 59 FPS. And we're drawing something like 5 watts. Oops. All right. I think I lost my training. Nevertheless, never been really that good on that game. I'm using it for testing purposes. But yeah, because I'm here. It's not a fair game, I know. You can see, by the way, there is an indication on the battery temperature and also on the CPU and on the GPU. .3 watts, which is very good, I can tell. This is good. Fantastic performance so far from the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Oh, and by the way, yes, from here I'm able to access Game Turbo, which is not possible through the menu on the home screen. But from here I'm able to set the balance and performance mode. So right now I'm using it on the performance mode. You can see everything is absolutely smoothing. It's almost 60 FPS, all right? Having this with like 59 FPS, it's almost 60 FPS. Having this thing with 59 point something is actually very good. Flawless, as you can see. No issues whatsoever, right? Wow. This is batshit crazy, but the phone doesn't seem to really care that I'm running this graphically intensive game, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Alright, this thing is starting. Don't know even what this thing is, but I like the gist of it. And the music is very good. Okay, success here. Let's try to enter this one. This is just so impressive. 58 FPS. What is going on here? I'm playing for something like already 18 minutes, almost 20. Phone is not feeling that hot anyway. Sometimes it draws like 12 watts. Just do like a spin for you guys. 5 watts, just like that. And we're doing this with more than 58 FPS. Amazing performance so far from the Xiaomi. absolutely not an issue. 39, you can see it's 37, 39 sometimes. All right, let's try to measure here. Yeah, it's not getting hot that much. I expected really more. And the phone, by the way, is in a case. So let me just try to remove my case right now. I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So let's put this to the turbo mode, which is this one. Now the thing is, with these big camera bumps, you probably won't have like the best contact, but still there is some contact. So I'm just going to put it like this. All right, now let me start recording, and we're here. Okay. With the cooler, by the way, you can see again the contact is not the best because of that big camera bump. Or probably I can move it like that a bit. Not even 40 Celsius. Ain't that impressive, by the way. Now, who would have thought the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is not really a true gamer's phone like the Red Magic. It's a true camera phone. But can it handle games like this? Oh yeah, it will. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 baby and the latest Adreno. And we know this chip is powerful. The only thing is that this chip also might be a bit more hot. Let me amp the sound a bit. Flawless performance. That's what I can call this. It's pretty flawless. Very, very good. And by the way, now without the case and even with the cooler, well, 40 after I'm playing now half an hour. It's officially half an hour. Let me check something. I really want to quickly check if, yeah, okay, this part of the phone is cool. So it's indeed doing something. Absolutely flawless. I think the performance in Wuthering ways from the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is flawless. I really don't have anything to say, any other word. Now we know they cut the resolution a bit. 1200 versus 1440, but it's still very, very good. Technically it's above Full HD, probably like 1.5K. That might be, of course, also contributing to this. But honestly, the performance in Wuthering Waves is very, very impressive, at least from what I see. And I'm going to be very, very eager to see what you think down below in the comments. Now I have a feeling that even without the cooler, this phone is going to deliver, but okay, yeah, I can feel the hot air here from the cooler, so definitely cooler helping as well. 39.2, you know what I'm going to do right now? Let me just remove the cooler, right? I'm going to remove the cooler. I just want to play now with the phone. Play only with the phone and see if the phone is going to throttle. It will probably at some point. I'm playing right now more than 35 minutes already. In those intense scenes, you can get to like 12 watts. I'm now already playing for 40 minutes and I don't have a feeling that the phone throttle even at this point of time, which is simply amazing. Okay, it's raising the temp a bit, 43 something, still very, very, very playable. So now I believe enough torture for the phone. Now it's time to see some statistics from Scene 8 and just see what has happened, like how much watts we consumed, what was the FPS, the batteries, the temps, and everything else. But not before I finish off those very, very rude people here. Okay, I think it has been done. Perfect. And here we are, all these recordings, because I either somehow exited the game or I had to restart recording for any reason. But let's check the first one. So here the maximum FPS 59.8, the minimum only 47, and the average power consumption 7.52 watts, which is simply amazing. Then you can see here this is the FPS, which is absolutely stable, maybe just dropping in the cutscenes, or let's say when I exited the game to check something and to adjust here the cooler, if I was using the cooler, maybe not in this last session. And then this is the temperature, as you can see. This is the CPU usage, you can see the CPU frequency down below, and then we have the power consumptions, and I do believe the battery capacity, as you can see, is quite steady. Let's check this one here, the maximum 60.1, and again an average power consumption of almost 7 watts, very stable. You can see temperature is stable and also FPS is stable. This is the CPU usage. This is the CPU frequency, and then again the power in watts versus the battery capacity, slowly of course dropping down again. Very good results. You can see maximum 59.8, the average 59.8 and 7.17. Let's check the average here. So here the average was 58.8 and the second was 59. So in the third one it's 59 again with an average power consumption of 7.17 watts. The average here 56 with a average consumption in power 6.60, and then here average 57 with below 6, I guess because there were some cutscenes. So very, very good, and this was in the beginning, I guess, a lot of cutscenes and adjusting. So here the average is only 40, but you can see what has happened, and I was drawing a lot of wattage here, cutscenes and stuff like this. Honestly, it is a very, very, very good start for my gaming test on stock Android games with the Starry Green 17 Ultra, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion. Stay safe, wir over and bye.